After getting the raw material, the cables are cut to precise lengths, and the insulation is stripped from the ends, exposing the conductors. This method enhances the temperature range, water resistance, and mechanical strength of bare copper wires, while also preventing fraying of the stranded wire. Wire is carefully inserted into the crimp terminal, ensuring all strands are properly positioned. The terminal and the wire are then placed into a crimping machine, where pressure is applied to compress the terminal around the wire, forming a tight and electrically conductive connection. Once the connectors are terminated and any additional processes are completed, the cables are assembled into the housing according to the design specifications. This involves inserting the cables through the housing and arranging them in an organized manner. The cables are assembled into the housing according to the design specifications. Certain assemblies may require the application of UV glue to enhance the stability of wire insertion and framework. This glue is applied and then cured using ultraviolet light to create a strong bond. For testing measures the amount of tensile force required to separate a crimped terminal from a wire. To examine critical areas for defects that could impact performance or reliability, the cable assembly is placed into a mold, and molten plastic or rubber material is injected over the assembly. This overmold material offers added protection, being impervious to fluids and capable of withstanding shock and vibration. Throughout the entire production process, quality control measures are implemented to ensure that the cable assemblies meet the required standards and specifications. Once the cable assemblies pass inspection and testing, they are labeled with relevant information, then packaged and ready to ship. Thanks for watching.